everybody, this is a Lamley Showcase. I took the week off from making videos last week, but I am back with all kinds of cool things to show you. And I'm starting with this, something I've never put on the Lamley YouTube channel before. It is classic 80s and 90s Matchbox. When it comes to Matchbox, I tend to focus on the Mattel era, the last 10 to 15 years. That is actually the era that I prefer, the era that I collect. I like these models. I think they're realistic looking. They're not as... the proportions, I think, are more on with the Mattel era Matchbox, but there's some things from the classic Matchbox that are endearing to many, many collectors and actually make them more appealing to a lot of people. I have a very small collection of Matchbox from this era. These are the cars that I grew up with, that is for sure, but as is, I have limited space, and sometimes you just have to make a decision and say these cars would be more appreciated somewhere else in someone else's collection. And so that is what is happening. Half of these cars are going to England, the other half are going to Arizona. I am keeping a small amount. This Mercedes 500 SCC AMG has always been a favorite of mine, so I'm going to keep these four right here. I'm going to keep this Ferrari, and then I'm going to keep this Porsche that I just opened here on the channel, so you can see that. Here's the card art right here from 1986. I have focused on the 8-dot concave wheel. That's the wheel I most associate with. That is what all of these are, so I'm going to let you have a look-see at all of the 8-dot wheels I have in my collection. This is only a small fraction of what Matchbox actually did in that era, but take a look at them, see how many you can identify. Enjoy the quality and coolness of these models, because they were known for their, well, that's a plastic base, but they were known for their metal bases. That's plastic too. This one's metal. Lots and lots of metal bases. What I always liked were the shocks that these models had. And then, of course, they had a lot of opening parts. I like this opening hood on this Nissan, and then, of course, opening doors as well. That was what marked this era for Matchbox. We're seeing the opening parts come back, which is kind of cool. Actually, we're seeing this casting itself coming back, if you noticed. Anyway, go through, see how many of these cars you can identify. There are some more obscure models to be sure, but enjoy how cool these models are before they head out to other collectors. So I hope they enjoy them. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks, everybody. Bye.